Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today in this video, I bring some latest collection of some unique and amazing ideas of aluminium door designs for my viewers to make these sort of home interior and exterior collections by adding these sort of unique planter arrangements alongside with some front porch decor ideas, or make some sitting arrangements into your front porch will make your overall garden decorations by create entrings with these sort of aluminium door designs, or making different unique brick wall theme ideas with these aluminium doors will also add up more uniqueness and customizations to your overall home interior, exterior and your mindset. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, I hope you really like it. Keep sharing my video and keep supporting me, and watch this video till the end to make your home interior and exterior collection more unique and up to the mark. In this video, I bring some latest collection of some beautifully decorated aluminium door designs by creating different designs and out of the box ideas. You can add up different aluminium door decorations alongside with it, whether it will open in your backyards or it will be an idea that opens up the door for your guests in your main entrance, or you can also add up different unique planters to make it more elegant and looks more beautiful, make this look more classy. Will also add up different planters or wreath styles that will be displayed in this video for my viewers to make these sort of unique and amazing thematic wreath styles that will perfectly fit with these sort of aluminium door designs, or make different lamps alongside with these sort of ideas can also add a more unique, elegant and charming ideas to make your overall home exterior and interior collection more revealing and outstanding. That will also be inspiring for others to create these sort of unique decorative arrangements for their home interior and exterior collection ideas as well. There are some different unique and amazing sitting arrangements that can be created in your front porch, displaying different unique ideas for aluminium doors. You can create different sofa sets alongside with different planters and make your aluminium door sitting arrangement ideas more unique. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest trendy and updated collections for you. So if you have any request or query, do mention it in the comment section. I will work on it and answer all your queries in the comment section. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like it, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring some latest trendy and updated collections for you. So viewers, I hope you do like these ideas and stay updated with my collections or ideas. Keep sharing my video and keep supporting me like this.